Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying a clear customer problem and target user. This defines scope and monetization. Once chosen, register API access and set up hosting. Make sure costs fit your $0 $200 starter budget. Then gather 5,200 seed prompts and example dialogues so the model learns tone and edge cases. Build a minimum viable flow: greeting, intent detection, and 1-2 core actions. Test locally with real inputs, because early feedback saves time and clarifies needed data. Once you have the MVP, choose training strategy. Fine-tune for consistency or prompt engineer to cut costs. Log every output for quality control. Integrate securely with your backend, auth, user profiles, DB, and payment webhooks so the bot performs transactions or stores context. Deploy staged tests, run a /b variance, and measure retention, success rate, and latency. Iterate on failure cases, tighten prompts, and add fallback intents. Make sure monitoring alerts trigger before scaling up to real users. You launch by offering clear pricing: freemium for lead capture, subscription for power users, or per-use billing for high-value tasks. Once live, reduce costs with caching, batching requests, and selecting cheaper models for non-critical tasks. Promote via content, demo videos, and targeted outreach to early adopters. If problems arise, reproduce the error using logs and synthetic inputs, then fix the root cause rather than patching symptoms. Iterate product-market fit, and adjust pricing as usage patterns reveal value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.